Let's add a new item on Box Hero Mobile. Click Register New Items and choose or take a photo of the item you're trying to add. Adding a photo is completely optional, but I'm going to do it for easier identification. Press OK. And now input the name of the item. In this case, I'll type out chocolate chip cookies. And for the barcode, you can select the barcode input method by either scanning the barcode directly from your smartphone or generate a random barcode number through Box Hero. I'm going to scan the barcode with my phone. So here are the cookies, and I'm going to flip it over, get the barcode. And you can also input the cost and price to keep track of additional information, but this is optional as well. Click Save. Let's set your initial quantity, and then you're done.